it's Julian, and it's Hubert, and our friend
Hello.
Pepe. So today I'm going to introducing you a little bit anatomical descriptions of the dorsal spine. So now, a dorsal vertebrae is composed by a body, two transversal process, and a spinous process, which is long and narrow. So now, with this spinous process, the directions of the spinous process is dorsally and caudally, and we can see that the directions caudally increase when we goes down. So I can add that the vertebral body of the vertebrae is here located at 2 or 3 centimeters above the points of the spinous process. So now the dorsal spine is more stable because there is the rib cage. So there is no instability problems, but there is a tendency to a rigidity. So now for the flexion extension, we can say that the movements of the flexions is more important than the movements of extensions, because the movements of extensions is limited by the claque between two spinous process. So now for the palpations, how can we palpate the first dorsal vertebrae and the last? So now with a patient, it's really easy to find it, because we know that only the cervical column rotates. So if I palp the last cervical spine, okay, and I fall caudally, and when I ask to my patients to rotate the head, rotate please, if the spines don't move, I'm sure that I am in the first dorsal spine. And to find the last dorsal spine is easier to count all them. Okay? So now for the costrotransversal joints, what can we say? The ribs are articulated with the transverse process. These joints are synovial joints, but there is only gliding movements. So in the future video, we are going to explain passive mobilizations, tractions, and all of gliding concerning to the dorsal spine and costrotransversal joints. And I hope you will like our video. See you soon, and everybody, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Bye bye.
Bye.
Good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all